Hello, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Trading Bots YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about the Trojan Bot and how to use it. I'll take you step by step. So, here we go. So, go to the link in the description. It's tradingbots.net. Once you go there, scroll down and find Trojan Trading Bot. Click right over here. It's going to tell you to join Telegram. After that, this is what it's going to say. This is what it's going to look like. This is the Trojan website. You're going to go to launch Telegram bot. It's going to take you to this page. You can either click start bot or you can open Telegram desktop, which is going to take you right here. So here, when you press start first, it's going to give you your private key, one for Solana and the other for Ethereum. All right, and it's also going to give you your address, which you can see right over here. You can deposit money over here and your balance will update here. All right, so you need to keep that key safe. It's essentially your password. Don't share it with anyone. Preferably write it down somewhere and keep it safe. So let's head over to the settings first. So you've got all of this. Let's go to the buy settings. So here you're going to buy your Solana. So you can get 0.51, 3.55 SOL, 10 SOL, whatever you wish, whatever your requirements are, whatever you're trying to achieve, you can get that. There's also your slippage over here that you can change. Again, this totally depends on what you want to do on this platform and what you are trying to achieve. So you're going to choose according to that. So let's go back. So next you've got the MEV protect here. This is buys and this is sells. You can obviously have this activated if you want. This would obviously make your trades slower, as we have discussed in our previous videos, but if need be, you can definitely use these. So let's go to the sell settings now. So over here, it's telling you you can either sell your Solana 50%, 100%, and you can set your slippage here, again, according to your liking, or however much you want. Let's head back. So as you can see, there are quite a lot of features here. You've got the fast fee here, you've got the turbo fee, you've got the custom fee. So these are the fee settings. Again, you can choose these according to what you want to achieve. You could go for custom, you could go for turbo, you could go for fast. So next, in order to start trading, you obviously need to have money in your account first, right? So let's go back. Right now, you can see that the balance is 0 Solana. So how you deposit this is that you take this address, you copy it, and once you copy it, then you can deposit money in multiple ways. If you want to do it through Phantom, your Phantom wallet, so you can just go there. You're gonna select Solana as the currency, and then you're gonna put your address there. You're gonna choose the amount, and then you're gonna press send. And remember, whenever you're sending money through this way, depositing money, what you want to make sure is that you have the correct address. It's even going to ask you a confirmation before you press the send button. So make sure that the address is correct, because in case there is a mistake, if it's incorrect, you could lose all your money. So be a little careful about that. And yeah, once you hit the send button, it'll give you the confirmation that it has been sent, and you can come back to this page and you can hit the refresh button. Keep hitting it until you see your balance get updated over here. Now let's talk about how you can actually start buying tokens through this bot. So you're going to go to buy over here. I'm going to tell you to enter a token symbol or address to buy. So you can go to BullX Neo, copy an address, paste it here and buy it that way, or you can also use Dex Screener. For the sake of the video, I'm just going to use Dex Screener. So let's go there. Once we're here, you can choose any token. Right now I've chosen Broccoli. So we're going to go here and we're going to hit copy. After that, we're going to go back to Telegram. I'm going to paste the code here and we're going to press enter. So now it's telling you some information about the token, how much balance you have, which is 0 at the moment for me. It's also going to show you whether this token is renowned or not. All right, and this is the price impact. This is the price, and here you can see you can choose the wallet that you're going to be paying with. You can also swap that wallet. You can set limit, DCA, and over here you can choose the amount of Solana you'd like to buy, and you can even set the slippage according to your liking. So you can see there's a lot of options here. So you'll also see the settings icon here. You can go ahead over there as well. Here you can basically choose your wallet, you can configure bundle, and that's pretty much it in the settings. Let's head back. Next, let's talk about copy trade. Right over here, we're gonna go here. And now let's say there's a wallet you'd like to copy. So how you would do that through this bot is that you would basically take their address, and then you would go here. You would go click new. So as you can see, it says here, copy trade allows you to copy the buys and sells of any target wallet. Like I said, any target wallet you have in mind, you can copy it, and you're going to go to new, and you're going to paste the wallet address over here. And you can basically choose multiple other settings like buy gas, sell gas. You can even copy cells. This is the target wallet, whichever wallet you are eyeing, and you can even set an auto sell option, and there are multiple advanced features here as well. So as we have talked in our other videos, I think this is a much easier way of copy trading. This is way more simpler. I know with other bots it can get a little complicated, and I know it varies from person to person. Some people prefer certain bots for copy trading, but they want other bots for different reasons. So it varies. So if you like this more, specifically for copy trading, you can definitely go with this. I personally think that it's a little easier, especially for beginners, to use this bot specifically for copy trading. So you can go ahead and try it out and see how it works for you. So next, let's go back. Let's go back again. Now let's head over to Sniper. So through sniping, you can basically snipe tokens and get big, huge profits. If we go to Auto-sniper, there are two options, Auto-sniper and Migration Sniper. So if you were to go to Auto-sniper, you could basically, let's say there's an early launched coin and you want to get in on it early on, as early as possible. So you're going to use Auto-sniper, and you're going to get the early launched Solana, and it'll be yours early on. So that's what you want to use. So we're going to go to Auto-sniper. So here it says be first to get access, the first 1,000 that put Trojan on Solana notifications on. So you need to do that. And you need to retweet this tweet from this account. Once you do that, you need to tag 2 friends or trench warriors in your tweet. So once you're done with that, all of that, that's when you'll get access to it. All right. So these are some requirements that you have to go through. So yeah, super useful feature, really easy to get into. These requirements are also not very difficult. You should be done in about a couple of seconds. I'll just show you right now what this one looks like. If you go to this Trojan on Solana notifications, if you want to turn it on, so you just go here, you're going to open this link, and that's how you do it. It's very easy, very straightforward. You shouldn't have a problem with this. I think I would recommend this. It's a very neat feature. In case you don't want to do auto snipe, you could always do migration sniper as well. So let's head back. So once you want to sell, you can always go to sell, and currently we don't have any tokens, but you can sell them right here, again, very easily. Let's go back. And when you're done with everything, you're done with all the shenanigans, so, and you want to withdraw now, so you're going to head to withdraw, and it's going to give you 2 options. It's Solana and Ethereum. So you've got 2 options. That's wonderful. You can use whichever option that you require, and you're going to withdraw it that way. Let's head back. So yeah, that pretty much covers everything. As you can see, it was pretty straightforward. It was pretty easy. Let me just check if we did actually cover everything. Yeah, I believe we have covered everything for the most part. Anyhow, I think that will be it for this tutorial for Trojan Bot, and I really appreciate all of you sticking around till the end of the video. I hope you understood everything clearly, and in case you have any sort of questions, any sort of concerns, you could always leave a comment. I would always love to hear from you guys. Don't forget to put a like on the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification icon so that you can be notified of future videos that come out. And other than that, I would say thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.